Hello student, a very warm welcome to BEHS Sumati Academy. This is your science teacher. So again we have the science period through video. So we are learning the chapter 4, that is food and health, and we have learned so many different types of nutritions. Now today we have a topic that is water and rough phase. So today we have a new topic that is water and rough phase. So first we will talk about the water, means we every day we drink the water. Whenever we feel the thirst we drink the water, but we don't know the importance of water in our body. Okay. There is a very much requirement of different types of nutrition in our food, but still beside these nutrients we also have a need of water, good amount of water. So whenever we drink sufficient amount of water, that means we are giving a proper nutrition to our body, and it is a fact about of our body that about 70%, almost 70% of our body is made up of water. So you can understand the importance of water in our body. Again I am repeating, almost 70% of our body is made up of water. So now we have to understand what is the use of water in our body, why we need water. So basically water helps in digestion. Okay, digestion of food. Okay, we are eating the nutrition in the form of food. Now there is a time to digest this food. When this food is completely digested, then only we will get complete nutrition to our body. So water helps in digestion, and also uh, one other important task of water in our body, it removes of waste. It removes the waste from our body in the form of sweat and urine. Okay, water, first important task of water in our body, it helps in digestion. Second, it removes the waste of from our body in the form of sweat and urine. Okay, two important tasks of our body, of water in our body. First, it helps in digestion. Second, it removes the waste from our body in the form of sweat and urine. Okay, so this is the function of water in our body. So that's why every day we have to take a sufficient amount of water, so that there will be a proper digestion of in our body, and there will be a proper removal of the waste from the body, so that we will get healthy and we will get a complete amount of nutrition to our body. Now next we have that is rough phase. Okay, next we have that is rough phase. So basically rough phase is a fibrous indigestible material that we get from the plant. Okay, rough phase we get from the plant. Now how you will see the rough phase? So basically we can get the rough phase from the whole grains, rice, cabbage, ripe banana, apple, guava, pear. So many sources of rough phase is there. Basically it is also said in a proper salad we can get a proper amount of rough phase to our body. And these if we are taking a full plate of salad, that means we are taking a rich amount of water and rough phase. So basically now we have to learn what is rough phase. So rough phase, it is a fibrous indigestible material. Okay, it is a fibrous indigestible material which we get the plant only. So I have given you the example of a plate of salad. So salad means it will contain some fruits, some vegetables. So all are the part of plant. So what is the function of rough phase in our body? So basically it helps us to remove the undigested waste from our body. Means during our digestion process there is remaining of the food which is digested by the bodies. Now there is a requirement that easily it can be uh, throw out from the body, or it can be expelled from the body. So this functions can be only done by properly with the help of rough phase. So rough phase help us get rid of the undigested waste from our body. Means water and rough phase both are the both nutritions are important for us, because as they remove the waste material from the body. Because if you think what is the need and why they are so important, because they are removing the waste material from our body. If you think in your bag, if you have so many base materials, now how your bag look like? It will not look clean, you will not feel good, because all the base material is inside your bag. When you clean your bag, you will also feel good, and your bag also look good. Okay, so same in our body. If we want that our in the same, if you want our body will properly work properly, so we also need that our body will be clean. So it's necessary that all the base material which are present in our body, undigested part of food, unwanted water which are present in our body, it will be easily expelled from the body. So this is the function of water and the phase in our body. These are both in nutrition also important, very important for our body. Now you have to read this topic and complete page number 163. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in your next live class. Thank you. We will meet again in your next live class.